Okay, I guess we've been here before. We had talked to you guys earlier about wanting to build a station wagon out of a 48 German helmet. So here it is. We've already cut up the 48 German helmet, cut up a 48 Sedan delivery, and we cut up a 48 Fleetline to get the back window from it. The reason for this window and for this, the object of what I was going for, is the idea of this nice garnish trim that sits around the windshield, around the door glass, the belt molding, and to try to keep everything period correct. So for now, this is where we're at. We got a 48 Chevy steel wagon that we're coming up with, which we're trying to see if we can actually have it ready for Santa Maria for Memorial Day weekend. See if we can get out to Memorial Day weekend in this thing. Whether or not it makes it, even if it makes it primered, we're getting there. But there'll be more pictures to come. It's going to be a 8-passenger station wagon, just like the Woodies would be if you had a Woody. I don't have a Woody, so I gotta make one. So this is the next best thing for us. So there'll be more to come in the future. The Body Shop, Salinas, California. I'm Jessie Flores. Thank you. Driver? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right here.
We are the cool bus experience, yeah. Irie, brother.
all this will be, once we get it to where the body's done, the frame will come apart and we'll blast it, powder coat it, put all brand new bushings, and who knows, it might get juiced. Put some juice in there.
Nice intake.
Oh yeah, V8. We're not gonna put a 6-cylinder.
Okay, you know what? Let me.
Trying to eliminate some of the rust, but I'll have to spray it.
Okay, explain to the people how does this work?
Well, what we did is we cut the roof off of a 48 German helmet, and then it's double plied sheet metal underneath the bottom of the original portion, so that the roof itself sits on top. And right now we're left with just the pencil line of the cut, so that we were able to marry the roof on, so that everything fit precise. You know. It's a little bit more time consuming, but it fits better. Cleaner, a lot cleaner job. So once we're finished with the tail end of the car and putting the drip rail, we'll be running a drip rail that's going to come from here, that will follow the body line, that would follow this line, and it'll come out about here. So once we set this in, I can make this drip rail, then we'll determine on how much of this metal is actually coming off to be able to compensate for where we're needed here. As you can see, the door is still open and closed very nice. But yeah, that would be the next part right now, is getting the drip rail section to fit and marrying, getting the same precise measurements so that everything looks nice and uniform. And then I'll be able to cut away all this section here that is not needed. The body on this car rolls in because it's a business coupe or it's a car. The body on this car, on the delivery, flares out to the tail because it's a work vehicle. It's designed a little different. Which, if you're looking at two different cars, you would think that the car didn't do it, but now it's proof. It does. It gets wider back here compared to this section here. So we have to make some adjustments, and we'll make those once we get the drip rail in, and then the rest of it will be downhill. We start finishing all the welding, clean up everything else, and start getting it ready to find out what color this truck or this station wagon wants to be. As we're going along, it'll tell us. So for now, keep moving on the metal. Thank you, sir.